This is similar triangles. Two similar triangles, their angles are equal to each other. They are corresponding angles, and their corresponding sides are proportional. So for A, you have triangle ABC and NMP. So angle B is equal to M, that is 46 degree. Angle C is equal to angle P, which is 78 degree. Then angle A is equal to angle N, and that is equal to 180 degree minus 46 degree minus 78 degree, which is 56 degree. So the angles are A is 56, B is 46, A and N are 56, B and M are 46, C and P are 78. And indeed 56, 46, and 78, they add up to 180. B is given two triangles with measurements, similar triangles with measurements A, B, 75, and the other one is 10, 20, 25. A is proportional to 10, B is proportional to 20, 75 is proportional to the 25. That means A over 10 is equal to B over 20 equal to 75 over 25. So to find A over 10 equals 75 over 25. That means A equals 75 times 10 over 25. So 75 divided by 25 is 3. 3 times 10 is 30. To find B over 20 is equal to 75 over 25. B is equal to 75 times 20 over 25. 75 divided by 25 is 3. 3 times 20 is 60. Please subscribe, share, and like. And ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.